In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact eBay customer service. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go on the site, how to describe your issue clearly, and how to reach the Contact US entry point for personalized help. Start on the eBay homepage. Look toward the top of the page for the Help and Contact link in the header. On mobile, you may need to open the menu first, then tap Help and Contact. This is the official doorway to support, and it's where eBay keeps the most up-to-date guidance. If you're signed in, you'll often see help tailored to your account and recent activity, so consider logging in if you aren't already. Once you're on the help page, use the search box to describe what you need. Keep it short and specific. Type a few clear keywords like order, not received, return a purchase, or account help. As you type, eBay will surface related topics and common questions. This helps the system understand your issue and routes you toward the right guidance. If your first phrase doesn't quite match what you're looking for, adjust a keyword or try a simpler description. The goal here is to help eBay categorize your request so the next steps are faster and more accurate. After you've searched, scroll through the help area and look for the Need More Help section. This is designed for situations where the articles or suggested topics aren't enough. Select Need More Help to open the Additional Assistance area. Think of it as your shortcut to live support options when self-service doesn't resolve the problem. It's helpful to have details in mind, like the item title, order number, dates, or screenshots, so you can explain the issue clearly once you proceed. Next, choose Contact Us. This takes you to eBay's support entry point for your specific topic. Because you already used the search box and indicated you need more help, eBay can better tailor the assistance you see. Depending on availability and your account, you may be guided through prompts that confirm your issue, so the system can direct you appropriately. Take your time, review any on-screen information, and follow the guidance that appears next on that page. That's it. You went to Help and Contact, described your issue in the search box, opened the Need More Help section, and selected Contact Us. If you found this walkthrough useful, pause the video as you follow along so you can complete each part without rushing. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you reach eBay's customer service quickly and confidently.